And oh my God, $58 for this? So recently I was browsing YouTube and I came across a video that was called Going Shopping Without Checking the Prices. Come to find out in the video she doesn't actually do that, but that gave me the idea. What if I went shopping and didn't check the tags? What would happen? How would that make me feel? If you could go shopping in any store without looking at the prices, comment below what store that would be. Oh my God, I should do a giveaway. Wait, should I do a giveaway? Okay, stay till the end for a giveaway because I wanna give back to you guys, so one of you guys can go shopping without looking at the prices. Like, that's very selfish for just me to do that. I went shopping. Stay tuned for this at the end because I literally have no idea how much it cost when I bought it. Okay, I will tell you, it was really hard to not see the prices. Prices are thrown at you everywhere, okay? Everywhere. If I accidentally saw the price of something, I didn't get it. And when it came to checking out, I literally just awkwardly told the register people, I'd be like, hey, this is gonna sound really weird, but can you just not tell me the total cost? And they 100% probably think that I have a shopping addiction. And it was just really weird at first to go shopping and not look at the prices. It's just so natural to wanna look at prices. And I immediately started to realize like I didn't like a lot of things that I think I usually would like. And I realized a lot of the times when I go shopping, and probably when a lot of us go shopping, we don't even like the products that we buy that much, but we see the price and we see a good deal. And so that makes us want to get it, even if we might not totally like it that much. And so by not looking at the prices, it actually got me to really like narrow my mind and steer clear of stuff that I wasn't crazy about. Do I actually like this item, or do I just kind of like it and the price is right? First off, I went to Aritzia. I'm extremely familiar with the Aritzia brand. Like, you could probably show me a shirt and I will roughly know about how much it costs, but they were having a big sale. So this is gonna be actually a lot more fun because everything's gonna be hopefully cheaper than I expect. First, I got this long mauve colored maxi dress from the brand Babaton at Aritzia. And let me tell you guys, it like feels like a nice, almost like silky fabric to it, but it's been sitting folded up in the shopping bag for a couple days and it doesn't have any wrinkles. So I'm already just excited for something that doesn't freaking wrinkle. Babaton is a very expensive brand. I'm gonna guess that this full price is about $160. And I think I'm right. And I'm gonna guess that hopefully this was on sale for like 80. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, I was off. So originally this was $98. So I was like really overshooting there. And it was on sale for $90, like $8 off. That is so, I gotta say, that's like quite annoying because Aritzia, all over their store, it says like up to 50% off. And then they do this, they mark down the thing $8. Whatever. I'm very excited about this dress though. I really wanted something that'd be like so easy to throw on and just like throw on with sneakers, and so this is really cute. Next I got a pair of shorts. These are Denim Forum and they're just like some really high-waisted shorts. I just saw the price. Okay, here we go. They were $62. That's a pretty fair price. I'm okay with paying $60 for a pair of shorts that I really like. These actually fit like a glove. They are perfect. They're just what I was looking for. And they were originally, let's see, their original price was $68. Really? $6 off. This sale is so stupid. Next, I got this top I'm obsessed with. This is like a wrap top. You can't really see right here. I'll show like a try on clip, but as you can see, it's like a wrap top with a V-neck to it. This fabric is like really thick and nice. Like you don't even have to like wear a bra with it or anything. I want to guess that this was $80 originally, and I want to guess it was on sale for $75. Original price was $78. Wow, look at that. It was on sale for $70. Next, I just got this little black crop top. Very, very simple. It's a pretty thin fabric. It's almost like a little sports bra kind of thing. I just wanted something like really easy to throw on. I can't imagine this being more than $30 brand new. And oh my God, $58 for this? Really? If I knew that, I wouldn't have bought this. And I got it on sale for $40. So this was actually the best deal. It was actually $18 off, but still at $40, I would not buy this for $40. It just doesn't seem that special. Like, I'm glad that I have it. It's a cool top and everything, but $40, I don't know. Maybe I'll end up really loving it. I mean, I do really like it, but it just seems a little overpriced. This is kind of boring, but I knew I would love this top. I already have this top in white. This is by the brand Babaton. It's just like this ribbed fabric, amazing top. I wear the white one, I swear to you, every day of my life. So I was like, I might as well get it in black. I'm a big fan of when you find something that works for you, getting it in like every color. I think brand new, this was $55, I wanna say. So I honestly am guessing with the sale, I'm guessing this was $50. Okay, brand new, this was $58, and on sale, it was $52. I'm so okay with that. Like, I'm telling you, I wear the hell out of the white one. I wear it like too much. It's like all I wear. It is my uniform. So I'm really excited to have this black one. Lastly, I got this bralette. I wanna guess this was about $30. Although I would not wanna pay more than like $18 for something like this. So let's see. It was on sale for $20. So that is okay with me. Then I went to Nordstrom and I really have no idea how much this stuff could have cost, because you can go to Nordstrom and walk into a section and a shirt could be $20, and then you could walk into another section and a shirt could be $200. So pray for me. I'm a sucker for army green, and I thought this was like such a cute dress. So this is in Topshop, so not gonna lie, this looks kind of bad right now because it's really wrinkly and my steamer broke, but here's this. It's cute, easy to wear. Like it. So I'm gonna guess this was $68. It was at Topshop. Let's see. I feel like I'm on the Price is Right. Actual retail price. $75. I honestly think if I knew that it was $75, I wouldn't have bought it, but I'm glad that I did buy it because I think this is actually something that I truly am going to wear a lot. And then the last piece of clothing that I got, so this is a little out of my comfort zone. This is typically just a little more girly for me, but I tried it on and I actually really liked the way that it fit. And so it's just this kind of gingham print. The sleeves cinch, and I actually realized that you can wear it off the shoulder and it looks really cute. The front ties, and I don't really fill out the front real well, but I make it work. But overall, like, I think it's a really cute romper, and I'm gonna guess the price of this was also $75 because it's also from Topshop, so $55. Okay, that's cool. I'm happy with that. That was like a little pleasant surprise there, so that's cool. Okay, so here's the thing. I decided, kind of for the sake of the video, this is not something that I would do every day, but I am also a lover of designer shoes. I know a lot of people really like designer bags. That's cool. For some reason, I love designer shoes. So I was like, let's get the adrenaline pumping. Let's buy something really expensive. And I had no idea what the price is. Like, I do not know what the price is of these, but I don't even care. I love them. Here we go. I think these are so cute. These are like, oh geez. Freaking love these because like they're the cutest little heel. They give you about like 2 inches, but there's also some platform right here. When I tried them on, I was like, whoa, these are actually so easy to walk in and they're so comfortable. Here is the thing with these, like I tried on so many shoes from like so many different brands. This just surprised me. I just fell in love with this shoe regardless of the brand. Like I wanted this shoe and it just so happened to have to be like freaking something really expensive, which is Prada. I just thought this was so cute. The style is kind of like a cute little retro style. Okay, so I keep putting this off. All right, we are now going to check how much these cost. I feel like since they're sandals, which is a little bit more of like a casual shoe, it's gotta be less than $1,000. And if it's more than $1,000, I'm gonna be like, no, I didn't know. The price that I think these would cost is $780. That's what I'm gonna go with. Let's look. Okay. Okay. Oh, 690. Okay, I mean, I wasn't that far off. I gotta tell you, I know those are really pricey. Could you probably find similar shoes for less of a price? You probably could. I bought them. I'm excited about them. Since you guys just got to watch me go shopping without checking the prices, which is, I realize, like such an extremely privileged thing to do and like kind of ridiculous, and I'm never gonna like totally do that again. I mean, it was more for a novelty for this video, but basically I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys so someone out there could also also do a little bit of shopping without checking the prices and just treat yourself a little bit. So I'm going to be giving away a $300. I've decided I wasn't being giving enough while filming that video, so I'm actually going to be giving away a $700 gift card to whatever store you want. You'll just let me know. Details below for how to enter this giveaway. I don't know. I don't do giveaways very often, but I don't know. I thought it'd be fun to give back. I feel very selfish buying all these things for myself and you just watching me do that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. All right, first stop of the day, we're outside of the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. So this is a roastery and tasting room